Well, here I am again with another marble machine, and I haven't made one for a while. So the difference is about this one is that the whole thing is printed all at once, assembled, and you cannot take anything apart. If I lift this centerpiece, which that's the one that moves the marbles up and down, you can't. It just lifts the whole thing. But I'm going to at least show you how it works. So uh, here we go. Anyway, one thing about this marble machine is that because it was printed all at once, um, there are some little, I want to call it a side effect. uh, Basically, what's happening is that some of these balls are running into a little bit of some kind of a maybe stringing inside or something. Uh, and so they don't roll in unless I help them here with my finger to kind of push them through. And there's not enough slope for the marbles to fold it on their own. So it might be a little bit of a design flaw, but otherwise than that, it runs beautifully. And as you can see, the marbles are just happy to travel around. So that's about all I want to show you. It's just a quick little video about one of my newest marble machines. It's for our granddaughter that's coming, our granddaughters that are coming to visit next month. So it's not going to stay here. Well, you have a nice one. Bye bye.